Hi guys, today I'm going to walk you through the assembly of this love seat that I received in exchange for my honest opinion. This was very easy to put together. It came with very clear instructions. As you can see, I've got all my pieces laid out here, and then all these are the packs of the cushions. So first thing we did is I started putting the sides together for the frame, and as you see, it comes with this Allen wrench and easy to put in screws and washers. The next step was to put this bar across the back, and this is what it's looking like so far. This is what we've got put together. The step after this one was to simply screw in the feet. There's 4 of them, just screw them right in. Now I have set the couch upright, and this is what it looks like. I needed to put this bar across the middle right here, and then these black boards go down, followed by the wooden boards. Now I'm cutting open all the cushions, letting them expand. This one right here is the armrest. So it has a zipper here on the back. You're just going to take it over to the side, and you just zip it right on. Very easy to do there. Now I'm opening the rest of the cushions, getting them all open, and I'm going to put them on the couch. I also installed the back already, so now it's just a matter of adding the cushions. The cushions are very easy to put on. They just Velcro to the back. You'll see how it has that Velcro strip along the back right there. So you just line up the strips of Velcro and push it on there. And then you just kind of want to fluff everything up to make sure it looks good. So as you can see here, this was super simple to put together. If you're looking for a really nice love seat, then definitely check this one out.